God, I'm so excited that I get to volunteer at a hackathon this year. I wonder what kind of students are gonna be here. Oh, there's a student. I should say hi to them. Hi, how's it going?
Oh hi, nice to meet you.
Is this your first hackathon?
Yeah, this is my first hackathon. I'm not in a team. I wanted to check it out. It seemed like a really fun idea to come to a hackathon, so I just decided to come and do some homework and just check it out.
Oh, well, that's great. Well, I'm glad you came. Definitely go check it out, talk to some people maybe, but yeah, I'll see you around.
Yeah, I'll definitely do that at some point. Thanks. See ya.
That's a sweet person. I remember my first time going to a hackathon. Oh, here, let me see this guy. This guy seems to be working on something very interesting. Hey man, how's it going? Hey. Sorry, you're pretty in the zone. I'll leave it alone. Whew, yeah, he really had his whole setup here. Well, I hope he parked close, because God, it looked kind of heavy. Maybe, is there somebody else I could talk to? Yeah, these people seem fine. Hey, how's it going, guys?
Hey, what's up?
Oh, nice, you have a team. What are you guys working on?
Yeah, we're in a team, and we're a little bit busy right now since we're trying to actually win this. Jeff, you have that back-end code written already? I've told you about 5 times that I need that done first, please.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I've been working on it. It should be done pretty soon. I see you're leading pretty well. That's great. All right, well, don't let me disturb you. You guys are definitely in the zone, trying to get it done. Good luck. I'll see you guys around.
We don't need luck. We've won this the past 2 years in a row, okay? Yeah. See you. Please help me.
Whoa, what about this guy? Oh, hey man, how's it going? How you doing? Whoa. How's it? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm having so much fun. I've talked to everybody. I've gone to every booth. I've had a couple of these chocolates, and I'm just trying to stay awake. It's been about 2 days now, but I can make it through the 3rd one, I think.
Yeah, you're only supposed to take one of those Red Bulls and caffeine chocolates at a time, not at the same time.
Oh, yeah, of course, don't worry. This is only like my 2nd Red Bull in the last hour, and I've only had about 6 of these chocolates. They ran out of food, so I've been kind of surviving on these,
You took how many?
Yeah, of course it's fine, right? It's just caffeinated chocolate and some Red Bull. I do this all the time when I'm trying to do my homework. It's all gonna be fine, right? It's fine.
No, it's fine. I'd say maybe go drink a lot of water.
Well, maybe I should go eat some actual food.
Get some food in you, yeah. You're gonna be fine, buddy. You're gonna be fine. Just calm down.
All right, thanks. I'll see you later.
All right, Jesus Christ. Well, at least this guy's having a fun time.
I'm awake. I am awake.
Never mind. Oh man, walking around really does take a lot out of me. I'm glad I get to just be at this stand and let people come to me. Maybe it'll be easier to have a conversation. Here's somebody. Hey.
Are these things free?
Yeah, the stuff's free. Do you need a hand?
No, I don't need a hand. I'll be taking these, okay? Thank you.
Okay. God, hackathons are something else.
Jeff, where are you? I told you I need that back-end code. Jeff!
Did someone say something?